In this video, we'll look at how to split documents separated by blank pages with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. PDFs containing multiple documents, such as invoices or statements, often have each one separated by a blank page. AutoSplit offers an easy way to separate these and remove the blank pages. Let's take a look at how to open this tool. With a suitable document open in Acrobat, select Plugins in the upper menu, then the Split Documents options. Firstly, check that the Use Separator option is selected, then select Blank Image Page from the drop-down list. Now click the Options button next to it. In this window, you can move the slider to adjust sensitivity for scanned documents. Note that the default settings favour a good quality document. You can also set levels using a sample blank page. Click OK once this is done. Next, use the Browse button to specify an output folder. Then press OK. Now you can specify the output file naming options in this section. The Clear button removes previous configurations. Once all settings are set, press OK, then again to confirm the split. The results box will list all the output files created. Now you can click Open Output Folder to inspect these files, and all of these separated files will not contain blank pages. Visit Evermap.com for more product resources.